afternoon, students. Today we will see the characteristics of LDR at present, and what you are seeing is the circuit diagram of the LDR. Okay, so LDR is a light dependent resistor. So here what we are doing is, as you see, the light we will pass it on to the LDR, and you will get a subsequent current in that. So let us move on to the experiment, how it is done. Okay, now here the circuit is connected. Now this is the LDR. Okay, this whatever I am showing is the LDR, which is connected to the power supply. So let us switch on the power supply. Now we need to pass the light on the LDR. So we have the arrangement has one bulb. Now the voltage the bulb is varied. Okay, so initially let us keep 20 volt as the lamp voltage. Then we will see what is the voltage and current which is obtained from the LDR. So see the arrangement. One ammeter and one voltmeter is kept to measure the current and voltage respectively, which is obtained from the LDR. Okay, so if we give the initial voltage 20 to the bulb, okay, note down the voltages. So here it is, current is 1.3 microamp, current is 1.3 microamp, and voltage is 37.1 millivolt. Okay, keep the supply voltage to 4 volt. Okay, wait until it toggles and it comes to a constant value. Okay, now current is fine. This we will not take. Current is 156.4 and voltage is 3.83 volt. This is microamp and that is in volts. Okay, now increase it to 40 volts. Okay, in between actually when you do it in the lamp, you need to do 20, 30, 40 and all. Check the arrangement here. Since LDR takes the light from all over, wherever the light falls on it, okay, the light is collected. Now we want to know the variation due to only due to that bulb which we have sent. So the entire arrangement is covered by a cardboard. Okay, so now for 40 the current is 48.1 microamp and the voltage is 3.91 volt. Now let us move to 70 volts. Now for 70 volt the current is 529 microamp and voltage is 3.566 volts. Now let us move on to 100 volt. If you see here, the intensity has increased. I can show you. Check here. The intensity has increased now. Okay. So my current is I can write it in 1.6 milli, 1.628 milliamp, and here it is 2.71. Okay, drastically reduced. We'll move on to 130 volt, which is the final one, brightest you can see. Check here, it is the brightest what we are having. Okay, so here if you see, the current is 2.5 milliamp and voltage is 2.04 volt. Now if we analyze here, what we have observed is, okay, fine, I made a mistake. Here it should have been current and here it should have been voltage. Okay, now current goes on increasing whereas voltage goes on decreasing. So if we see the graph, okay, across voltage to current, we get it in this way. This is what we need to plot. Okay. Okay, this is in y-axis you take resistance which is V by I. Okay, if you see here the pattern, you will get to know one is increasing, one is decreasing. So accordingly my R will vary. That R value I will take it here and lamp voltage will take it here, that is this voltage. Then we will see how the variation is. Okay, so that is the experiment on LDR. The working of LDR I will explain in the live class. Okay, next moving on to LDR to control light. Okay, so that means what? Here one taking this circuit, here lamp is there, lamp will fall on LDR. Okay, now this LDR will make, anyway as you know the current is generated, that current is used to light the LED, light emitting diode. So this should light up now. With this current, this should light up. That is the experiment. Okay, this is only observation, we need not take any values. Okay, just observation how the LED will light up using this current. Okay, LDR's current, we'll take that. Okay. Now we'll check the circuit LDR to control light. Okay, see the circuit connection. Here is the LED. Okay, now this is the LED, this is the same LDR. Now you will see, okay, this is the LDR. Now you will see when the light falls on this, okay, depending on the intensity, this will vary. Now once this glows, okay, we can use this pot, okay, pot is here, we can use this pot to vary the voltage over here. Voltage, vary the brightness, vary the intensity of the LED. Okay, so let us start with this thing. Now you see the power supply we have given is constant 9 volts. Okay, so as we increase the voltage, light starts glowing. Okay, now as you see the light is falling, it's very near, it is falling on the LDR. See, check here. Okay, it is glowing. For this minimum light fallen on this, okay, the LED started glowing. Light is falling on LDR. Okay, so subsequently the LED is glowing. Fine. Now, okay, we can keep here. We'll check the pot. The pot, see, check this. By varying the pot, you can observe the intensity of the LED is changing. Yeah. Now, okay, this is minimum. Yeah, it is increasing. You can make out. We aren't changing the light falling on it. That is constant. The bulb light is constant. But by varying the pot, we can vary the intensity of the LED. This is just one application, and similarly you have many applications, okay, on LDR also, separately on LEDs also. Okay, that we will see in the theory class. Okay, so this was about the LDR.